So Padang is famous for its surfing, and when you see these waves you will see exactly why. So the next country, thousands of miles that way, Kenya in Africa. So yeah, when you catch Padang with decent weather, it's alright. It's alright. So Celine's just ran past me at top speed because she said she saw a snake. I can't see it. Oh, hang on, I've seen it. Yeah, snake. That's what she was scared of. Bloody hell. You can see why she was terrified now. Terrified of that snake.
Yeah, I'm still terrified.
So that snake that was over there, you were terrified of it.
Did you see it? Did you see it?
Yeah.
What was it?
It was like a little tiny piece of spaghetti. It was spaghetti.
That was a snake.
It was spaghetti, I saw it. So this is what a departure gate looks like in Terminal 1, Jakarta Airport. So far the flight says not delayed, but I've seen that countless times before. We shall see. So tell me, Celine, what do you know about Padang?
My TA's daddy is from there.
Your TA's from, dad's from there. Anything else?
There's lots of ships to see.
Cara menggunakannya, kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kencingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang
20
Anda.
minutes late.
Place life jacket over your head.
So we've arrived. Celine's booking the grab. Have you done it? Get a move on. Come on. Right, so it's 45 minutes to the centre. So it's the next morning. Come for breakfast. Celine's gone for the Indonesian option. Nasi goreng, noodles. Nice.
Yeah.
So look what I've got.
You put the whole thing in your mouth. Can you just try a wee bit first? Is it really bad? What does it taste like? Is it like the jelly consistency that's really bad?
Celine's laughing her head off.
Can you take it off?
Because I put the bag on. I can't even, there's no way I can take it off. It's too tight because I didn't adjust the straps. Jesus Hitch. So this is what the pool looks like in the Mercure. Forecast for thunder and lightning. And I've read somewhere that Padang is the rainiest city in Indonesia, but that could be wrong, of course. So we're out on the streets. We're going to head to the Grand Mosque. Just going down a side street, passing all these little shops. Hello, 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 hello. Friendly people in Padang. We've just got to navigate our way across these crappy pavements. But look, the Grand Mosque of Western Sumatra. Never seen a mosque like this before. I was expecting like a big giant dome. Look at the architecture on that. Love it. So we found this walkway. Let's see if we can get up close, see what happens. Look how impressive this is. Celine's being a real rule breaker here.
Ask for forgiveness instead of permission.
Yeah. So at the top, people are just sleeping. Do you fancy having a kip? Go, just lie down. I had to pose for about 50 photographs with all of them members of the family, different combinations, different poses, but it's over. How does it feel to be in Penang with a world famous rock star?
Celebrity.
Celebrity. Now we're going to head to a museum. Just chanced upon this array of coconuts, and I'm going to buy one from these friendly gentlemen here. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Look at these chickens. Look at this. There's loads of coconut water in the bag that I put in. You always laugh at my misfortunes.
It's because you're walking around. Real water come by and you look like you're peeing yourself.
I was. Made it. Museum Adityawaramman. Let's see if we can get in. Look at how beautiful it looks. Ticket? Dua?
Yes.
Kasih.
Thank you.
Kasih.
Terima kasih.
Aeroplane. Celine's not impressed with the aeroplane, I can tell. I just love that roof. So yeah, let's see if we can go inside, although I am absolutely roasting hot. Are you hot and bothered?
Cafeteria there to see if we can get a cool drink.
Yeah. And inside, let's have a look at the exhibits. And are these the animals you see? Cobras. Vultures, is it? Is that a Sumatran tiger? Wow. As predicted, rain. Light right now, but promising to get worse. So now we're heading to a shopping mall to escape the deluge. We're getting soaked. Hello. Perusing all the donuts on offer. Which one are you going for?
I want a tiramisu one, but I don't know if she has any.
So the weather continues to be completely abysmal. It's now 20 to 4. I've been waiting for ages. I've just checked a weather radar map and it says it's going to rain like this all night. So I'm going to get a taxi to this bridge, take some photographs in the rain, see the old port, jump back in the taxi and then call it a day. Are you enjoying Padang in the rain?
Yeah. Fun.
Celine is freezing cold because she's not used to the northern weather of Sumatra. I'm just passing a nice white Taj Mahal-like mosque. All right, mate. Raincoat. Right, so we're on the bridge, and somehow we've got to stop so I can take some pictures of the old Dutch part. So we just climbed out, and you can see in the rain the old dhows and boats, and this is where, because the ocean's over there, that's where the Dutch ships would have come in with all of their trading things and then taking away the gold or whatever they were taking with them. Look how good this looks. Pity about the bloody weather. And just over there is like the Chinatown, which is like the old part of Padang, and you can see that Dutch building. Look at that. So it's sort of stayed intact. Looks like it possibly is earthquake damage from 2009. So I've just come to a restaurant and I'm going to get some signature Padang beef skewer. It says here, a signature dish traditionally served as on ceremonial occasions to honour guests during festive events such as weddings. Look at this.
It's not the worst.
And it was there just before she started drinking it. So this is beef rendang, traditional Padang food. Really nice. Selena's ordered some Padang beef soup. Nice. And there's my drink, a Mercure Sling. God knows what that's going to be like. Radioactive. And this is Celine's Black Russian. What? Give me a statement now.
I feel a little bit lightheaded after.
Do you?
Well, it was about a quarter of, what was that one? Jamaican coffee.
Yep.
And 3/4 of a White Russian.
Right.
And now I'm going to have, what's this one?
Black Russian.
Black Russian.
Taste it.
If I don't like this, you're going to have to have it.
Well, I don't think you're going to like that. You're right, Alki. You're joking. That has got 1 shot of alcohol, that's got 3.
But do you know what? It tastes a bit like mouthwash.
Celine looking very pensive. But these boats look good. So that is it. Goodbye from Padang. What did you think of it?
It's fine until I saw the snake.
Fine until the spaghetti snake.
It wasn't spaghetti, it was huge.
It was spaghetti.
Biggest snake
I saw
I've
it.
seen
It
in
was
the last
spaghetti.
5 years
It was
since I've been
spaghetti.
living here.